You're a small business owner, maybe you're a freelancer, a consultant, or you run an e-commerce store. You're probably juggling a million things, and the last thing you want to worry about is accounting. That's where cloud-based accounting software like Xero comes in. But here's the burning question. Does Xero actually make money? Because let's be honest, no one wants to pay for a tool that doesn't deliver a return on investment. In this video, we're diving deep into Xero's financials, exploring their revenue streams, profitability, and what the future holds for this popular accounting platform. Understanding Xero. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of Xero's financials, let's quickly recap what they do. Xero is a cloud-based accounting software platform designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. Think of it as your digital accountant. It helps you track income and expenses, easily record invoices, receipts, and bank transactions, manage bills and payables, automate bill payments and track outstanding invoices, run reports, generate financial statements like profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, collaborate with your accountant, share data seamlessly with your accountant for tax preparation and advice. Xero offers a variety of plans to suit different business needs, from basic bookkeeping to more advanced features like inventory management and payroll. Xero's revenue model. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How does Xero actually make money? Subscription fees. This is their primary source of revenue. Xero charges customers a recurring subscription fee based on the chosen plan and features. Add-on services. Xero offers a range of add-on services that customers can purchase to enhance their accounting experience. These include payroll processing, integrating payroll functionality into their platform, inventory management, tools for tracking stock levels and managing sales orders, project tracking, features for managing projects, tracking time, and invoicing clients, third-party integrations, connecting with other business applications like e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, and banking software, partnerships. Xero has a strong network of accounting partners who use their platform to serve their clients. These partnerships generate revenue through various channels. Xero's financial performance. Now, let's take a look at how Xero has been performing financially. Revenue growth. Xero has consistently shown strong revenue growth over the years. They've successfully expanded their customer base and increased the average revenue per user, ARPU, by introducing new features and add-on services. Profitability. While Xero has been profitable in recent years, it's important to note that they've invested heavily in research and development to maintain their competitive edge and continue to innovate. Customer growth. Xero has a large and growing customer base worldwide, which is a key indicator of their success. Xero's competitive landscape. The accounting software market is highly competitive. Xero faces stiff competition from established players like Intuit, the maker of QuickBooks, a dominant force in the industry. Sage, another major player with a wide range of accounting and business management solutions. FreshBooks, a cloud-based accounting software specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. Xero differentiates itself by focusing on the cloud. Their cloud-based platform offers flexibility and accessibility for businesses of all sizes. User-friendly interface. Xero is known for its intuitive interface, making it easy for businesses to learn and use. Strong ecosystem. Xero's extensive app marketplace and integrations with other business tools provide a robust ecosystem for customers. The future of Xero. Looking ahead, Xero has several key areas of focus. Expanding into new markets. They continue to expand their global reach, targeting new markets and customer segments. Developing AI and machine learning capabilities. Integrating AI and machine learning to automate tasks, improve accuracy, and provide more insightful data analysis. Strengthening their ecosystem. Continuing to build and expand their app marketplace and partnerships to provide a more integrated and comprehensive solution for businesses. Does Xero make money? The answer is a resounding yes. Xero has proven to be a successful and profitable business. They have a strong revenue model, a growing customer base, and a solid financial track record. However, it's important to remember that the accounting software market is dynamic and competitive. Xero needs to continue to innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the curve.